Welcome back to the last day here of this week. I want to talk to you about TuneCore, where you can sell your music online through Spotify, YouTube, Amazon Music, Tidal, and Beatport. So basically, the way this works is that you need to upload your music, upload tracks, artwork, release information, quickly and easy, in addition to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon, and iTunes. So as you can promote your music on this TuneCore, but then they also cross promotion all the other like your music over to the other platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, and you'll get a commission for how well it does over on those platforms. So if you are a legitimate artist, I'm speaking to you directly. If you are an up and coming artist and you want to kind of get buzz with your music, if you're an R&B country, it doesn't matter what genre you is, come over here where people are making a decent amount of money. I would say, you need to be if you want to start out, I will upload like a 12 track album just so then you can get some buzz and you'll be able to charge more from your earnings. So if it's a 12 track and you want people to buy all 12 tracks and within the album, I mean, I guess you can make anywhere from like maybe 50 to $70 in the beginning, but then as you grow as an artist you can make more than that, start to stack up to 100 or 300 and grow consistently. It will take time because people don't know who you are, but if you have, the best way I would say is to promote it on YouTube, Instagram, start growing and promoting it on those channels, and then once you have a solid maybe 10,000 followers or something, or even maybe 5,000 followers, then I would cross promote it on this website, which then they will cross promote it on all the other ones. So make sure the music is good and it's not copyrighted, because if it's copyrighted and you try to upload somebody else's song, then obviously you're not going to get paid for that, and that's a lawsuit waiting to happen. So always make sure it's always your phone, or if it's an AI remix, mix it up to the best of your ability to try to make sure that your vocals are incorporated so you don't get sued or anything like that. So I want to mention that because a lot of people are trying to, pass off AI as their own music, and that's not the way to really go. You want to have some flavor to it, make it your own, so it's kind of like unique to you. So make sure you're following those rules before you upload that. So go ahead and upload it. You need to send your music to the stores, and then you get paid. So every time you get streamed on Spotify, every download of your music on iTunes, you get paid, and we pay your money directly through the TuneCore account, which is the website that I'm on right now. And then TuneCore never keeps a percentage of your sales revenue. So if you are ready to, start getting paid, you can even click here to learn more. And they're going to tell you, you need to put in your name, email address, and all that so you can be able to sign up for this. And then they're going to cross promote all of your different, tracks and music to the different platforms. It's really popular, like Spotify, YouTube, Amazon, all these ones that's really popular and that give you a chance to promote your music, that it can get you even more money, not just on this platform, but on the other four or five platforms. Then, you know, you're making bank. So anywhere from $50 to $100 in the beginning, but then as you grow and people start to recognize you more and you start to grow a platform on all the other platforms, and then tell them about this particular platform, then you can start to grow and make more money. But it's going to be all dependent on you and what you want to do. But other than that, let me know if this is something that you really like. If you don't like it, there's other 240 some videos on my channel. Have at it. But also, I wanted to remind you guys again, to make sure you enter the cash giveaway at the end of October. If you have not done so, it's still three more spots as of this week of recording this video. So let me know if you want to participate in that, and if you do, comment on the community post. But other than that, this is something that I think aspiring musicians or wannabe musicians can take forward and start making money before we even be blown up as an artist. But other than that, take care, money makers, and I really appreciate you. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.